Okay, hi, everybody out there. I'm Daddy Rex. Wow, it was an amazing day. Yesterday, I downloaded a software. It's a trial software, so I'm testing it out. I love music, so I also face issues with copyright issues when using other music. So I'm trying to make my own music. So yesterday, I downloaded a software called Ableton Live 11 Trial. Okay, it's for 90 days, so I use it only for 1 day, and it was really amazing. Very easy to use. All right, I just go online and then see some tutorials, and then I began to put in my thoughts. I'm not music trained, all right, but I produce something. My daughter say likes it. Okay, I make a song especially for my children, my son and daughter. So here I'm sharing with you. All right, this is original. All right, pick from yesterday, night. Doing arranging and then yeah. Let me show you. Okay, doing arranging and all the stuff here. Yeah. So it's okay. My children are playing behind, so it's making some noise. So they like this very much. I even put it on my cell phone, but it's not the complete one. All right. So I use some of the we call the effects, plugin, that come with it. All right. I use them. All right. So I don't know how you feel, okay, but my children love it. All right. So I learned some tricks and there from the YouTube tutorials. Thank you so much for those broadcasters that make take time to make the tutorials. Okay, I like you already because your story is very clear, and then I think for me it's very easy to actually learn it. All right. So let me share you the piece of song, and then you see what they like it. All right. Here we go. This song is especially dedicated to my daughter Shine and to my son Dominic, of course, to my wife. Thank you so much. This song is called Love You There. Hold me there, 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 hold me there. When you were born, I went there. You called me there. When you were born, I am there. You cannot go. Call me there, call me there. Call me there, call me there. Whoa. Call me there, call me there. 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 Whoa. Call me there, call me there. Call me there, call me there. house music.
Now you grew up, call me dad. Would you call me dad? Whoa. Now you grown up, call me dad. Would you call me dad? Whoa. Call me dad. Call me dad. When you are angry, I scold you. Would you call me dad? Whoa. When you are naughty, I scold you. Would you call me dad? Whoa. Call me dad, 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 oh, oh, I'm your dad. Call me dad, oh, oh, oh. Call me dad, call me dad. Call me dad. Call me dad. Oh, call me dad. No, call me dad. Call me dad. Call me dad. Whoa. Call me dad. Call me dad. Call me dad. Call me dad. Whoa. Call me dad. Call me dad. Call me dad. Call me dad. Whoa. Call me dad, call me dad. Call me dad, call me dad.
Okay, so I ended with like playing basketball. So the whole song is like I put it like a family. That the little clip actually is my daughter's voice. All right, and then wow, echo I didn't know. Okay, let me close down the echo, and then this is no cutting. Okay, this clip is freshly made. Okay, so the whole song is very joyful, hippie, and then no, I don't know why my daughter love it, and then because I like to play basketball, so it's in between. Depends on what you think. It can be for daddy point of view, it can be children point of view, it can be parents to children point of view. All right. So I just want to share this clip because it's something interesting. I never imagined myself that I can make music, but this Ableton live maybe around quite some time. I saw the YouTube say it was used by many professional producer. So thank you so much that I came across this particular software. Well, it's going to cost me about $1,000+ in Singapore to buy the full version. All right, so now I'm using a full version, but it's a trial period of 90 days. So I probably will budget myself and then to get this software because I'm going to love it and maybe who knows I know I love to sing. I used to join a composing group last time in the past. So maybe it's time that I pursue my passion because I can't write note or this, so probably this software can actually guide me and help me to make music. I may not be professional, and maybe those who are professional that see this clip don't laugh at me, okay? It's just raw, right? It's simply original, and the song name in Call Me Dad. All right. Thank you so much for viewing. And then please subscribe to my channel. All right. My channel will be original Singapore based. Okay. No hidden costs. No hidden things. Everything is light. You see my house, you see my children. All right. Only you are not yet see my wife. Okay, bye bye.